How to reply to a great compliment. Hi everyone, my name is Milos, SAP Logistics Solution Architect for Koretrust. And it's been a while. I'm here in Zandam in the Netherlands having a walk in the city center. You can see the famous Zandam Hotel here. I know you cannot see the Zandam green color, but trust me, it's as nice as you can see in some other pictures on Google. And today I just wanted to share a very quick insight. One of the customers asked a technical question, and I asked a colleague to provide a solution. And my colleague, I'm going to call him John, just to keep his name confidential, and the customer as well. And John basically provided a great input via email very quickly to the customer, the AT person on the customer side. And the AT person, a senior person, so very well respected, replied, "Oh, John, thanks a lot. You are the best." So that was basically the email. And the day after, I asked John, "Hey, John, did you reply to the customer? Did you say something after the compliment?" He said, "Well, no, actually, I didn't know how to reply because there was no issue anymore. So I didn't even reply." And I thought about it, and it's actually interesting how sometimes when we receive a compliment, we don't have a tendency, or we even sometimes pull back. We don't even say thank you. We sometimes just say, "Oh, don't worry, it's nothing, it's a small thing." So we kind of make the accomplishment small, and I find it so fascinating. And I advised John on how I would approach it or what to do when a customer actually gives you a great compliment. And the first thing to do, I think, is to acknowledge, to say, "Oh, thank you, it's really nice." To acknowledge the good compliment, because that's giving a positive feedback back. And that means that that person is going to be likely to give another positive feedback in the future if it ever happens. So you keep receiving the good vibes, you keep receiving positive feedback when it happens. So reinforce the positive feedback, acknowledging that you're thankful for the feedback received. That's the first thing. And the second thing, to add that you understand they're busy. Specifically in this case, it was pre-go live cutover phase. So just acknowledge, "Hey, I know you're really busy for the cutover you're doing." And so you connect with the person. Okay, so you leverage the fact the person just acknowledged you're the best. You're thanking them, you're connecting with them, showing them you know how they feel, you know they're stressed, you know they have a lot of going on. And then you can close by saying, "If you need anything else, just let me know, I'll be happy to help." So basically saying, if you need more help, and the help you appreciated, saying, "I'm the best. If you need more help, just let me know, I'm right here. Thanks a lot, have a great day, bye." So although the email practically doesn't solve any additional problem, potentially someone might see it as not needed. I just thought when someone gives you great feedback, you need to at least acknowledge it and leverage that moment to say, "If you need anything, I'm here and I'm ready to help." I think that serves the purpose of building long lasting relationships and really making the work much more enjoyable and much more fun. What do you think? Do you actually reply when the job is done and someone just compliments you? Do you send a thank you email? Or you just say nothing? Or maybe you try to diminish what you did, saying, "Oh, no, no big deal," or a small thing. What's your reaction when you receive a positive feedback, and how would you react? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the tip, and I'm gonna go eat some traditional Dutch pancakes now.